Hello and welcome back. I hope you all had a nice half term and you managed to get out into the sunshine and have some rest. Okay, so each week we have been focusing on a set of number bonds. Now the goal is that we become really quick with being able to recall our number bonds, so you know them off by heart. And it's not just the number bonds for the number 10 and the number 20, it's the number bonds for all the numbers in between. So we have been focusing on the number bonds 5, 6 and 7. So this week we're going to be focusing on 8. So the goal is that you practice these every day so you're super speedy at being able to recall them. All right, let's start. Okay, let's look at the 10 frame and use our subitizing skills to see how many red dots there are. Remember, on a 10 frame we don't count, we use patterns and subitizing. So you may have seen 4 at the top and 4 down the bottom, and you added them together, and because you know 4 and 4 is 8. You may have seen 4 in this part and 4 in this part, and again added them together and know that there's 8. When I see this number on a 10 frame, I actually don't add, I subtract. I know if the 10 frame was full, so if there was a counter here and a counter there, I would know that that would be 10. But it's not full, is it? So I know that 10, take away the 2 empty spots on the 10 frame, is equal to 8. So now we know what the whole number is. Can you write a number sentence to match this 10 frame and this part whole model? So for this part whole, we have 8 as a part, 0 as a part, and the number sentence is 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. So there's 8 red, and there's 0 that are blue or any other colour. Okay, next one. Look at my 10 frame. I know there's 8 altogether because I can see 5 at the top and I can see 3 at the bottom. How many are red? 7 are red and 1 is blue. Can you write down the number sentence? And once you've done that, press play and we'll go through it together. Remember, if you do that quickly, you can think of other ways that you can partition 8. Okay, so 7 is a part because we have 7 that are red. 1 is a part because we have 1 that is blue. And altogether the whole is 8. So my number sentence is 7 and 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Can you write the number sentence? Press pause, and once you're finished, press play and we'll go through it. Okay, I can see that there are 6 red without counting because I can see 5 at the top and I can see 1 down the bottom. So I know there's 6. Your brain may have seen something different though. And I can easily see that there's 2. And so 6 is a part, 2 is a part, 8 is the whole. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, have a go at this one. Write the number sentence. Once you're ready, press play and we'll go through it together. Alright, I'm going to use my subitizing. I can see 5, oops, sorry, that's a messy line. 5 that are red, and I can see 3 that are blue. So 5 is a part, 3 is a part, and the whole is 8. My number sentence is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Ooh, got equal parts here. Can you write the number sentence to match the 10 frame in the part whole? I can see that there are 4 red and I can see that there are 4 blue. 3 here and 1 there. So 4 is a part, 4 is a part, and 8 is the whole. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and that's a double because we have 2 parts that are equal. What do you see here? Pause and write the number sentence. I can see 3 red, so 3 is a part. And I can see that there are 5 blue. I see 2 at the top and 3 down the bottom here. So 3 red, that's a part, 5 is a part, and we know the whole is 8. So 3 and 5 is equal to 8. That's our number sentence. Okay. Write the number sentence to match the 10 frame and the part whole model. Okay, I can see 2 red, so 2 is a part, and I can see 6 are blue. My brain knows there's 6 straight away without counting because I can see 3 at the top and 3 down the bottom. So 2 is a part, 6 is a part, the whole is 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, and can you write a number sentence to match this part whole? Press pause, and once you're ready, press play and we'll go through it together. Okay, so yes, you can see that we have 1 red, so 1 is a part. We have how many blue? Well, I can see 4 at the top, and I can see 3 down the bottom, and I know that 4 and 3 is 7. So 7 is a part, and all together the whole is 8. So our number sentence is 1 and 7 is equal to 8. We have just been doing part whole, but we know that we can partition numbers more than 2 ways. So you could have a go now at doing part whole, or part whole. Or you could even do, because there's the number 8, you could do part whole. So have a go at partitioning the number 8 as many different ways as you can. And once you're ready, press play and we'll do something else. Okay, because you're really good at maths, you know that good mathematicians use patterns and numbers, their knowledge of numbers, to help them solve other problems. So let's have a look at this. We know, because we've been practicing, that 1 add 7 is equal to 8. So what do you notice about this number sentence, 1 plus 7, and this 10 frame, 1 red, 7 blue? And what do you notice is the same about this number sentence and this one, 10 plus 7 is equal to 80? Can you see something that's the same, and can you see something that's different? Have a look now, look for patterns, and once you're ready, press play and we'll go through it together. So you can see here that we have got 1 and 7 is equal to 8. And over here, we have got 10 and 7 is equal to 8. What's the same? Well, let's start with, I can see a 1 here, and I can see a 1 here. I can see a 7 here, and I can see a 7 over here. And I can see 8 here, and 8 over here. But this 1 stands for one group of 10. This 7 stands for 7 groups of 10. And the 8 stands for 8 groups of 10. They're all in the tens house. So if you know that 1 add 7 is equal to 8, you know that 10 add 70 is equal to 80. Have a go at doing these ones then. If 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, then 20 plus 60 is equal to 80. Can you complete these 3 on your own, and then we'll go through the answers together. So press pause, and once you're finished, press play. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, so therefore 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. Instead of 3, we have 3 groups of 10, which is 30. Instead of 5, we have 5 groups of 10, which is 50. And instead of 8, we have 8 groups of 10, which is 80. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, that's our double. So therefore 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. 7 add 1 is equal to 8. So therefore, 70 add 10 is equal to 80. So this poster, our Rainbow to 8, is going to be on our Year 1 page, so you can practice learning your number bonds for 8 all week so you know them off the top of your head. And if you would like a challenge, you can find other different ways of making 8, or you can write, so if you know 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, what's 10 plus 70? Just like we did on the previous page, you can practice learning those as well. Okay, so everything will be on the page for you. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.